The U-Anchor from Anchor Products is the fastest and easiest method for creating a watertight and maintenance-free solution on any commercial roof type. The U-Anchor can be used for anchoring heavy equipment, solar arrays, pipe and wire management, bracing and support systems, safety and protection, and more. For additional information such as product selection assistance, data sheets, detailed drawings, testing reports, and even to hire a professional to install the U-Anchor for you, log on to www.anchorp.com or contact 888-575-2131. The following instructions are meant to be utilized by an experienced and professional roofing contractor using the proper equipment, techniques, and safety protocols, not just the average handyman. Each installation should always follow the specified roofing manufacturer's written specification. Align the U-Anchor according to the engineered design. Most designs are transferred to the roof surface with chalk lines. Install the U-Anchor plate using the correct type and quantity of fasteners specified by your design professional. Tape off the area where work will be performed. The area must be 2 inches larger than the size of the fabric being installed. Once properly aligned, remove half of the release liner from the provided fabric and, with your hand, press down firmly to adhere it to the roof surface. Repeat with the remaining half of the fabric over the bolt, pressing it down firmly. Roll with a 2-inch roller to adhere the fabric properly to the roof surface. Apply the top layer of coating, covering the entire plate and fabric. The coating must extend beyond the outside edge of the fabric by 2 inches or per the recommended roof manufacturer's specification. Finally, install the 2-inch separation disc and allow the area to dry completely prior to installing any additional hardware. It is not required to adhere this in place, as this is only used to protect the materials underneath and not for waterproofing. You have just completed installing the best anchoring system on the market for commercial roofs. Now you can go ahead and attach your mission-critical systems and components to the roof with confidence. Always be sure to have an experienced and professional roofer install your U-anchor while following the proper techniques and roofing manufacturer's written specification on every installation. And remember, if you need it installed on your roof, we can do that too. Thank you for choosing Anchor products.